If you would like to learn how to play IDK You Yet or I Don't Know You Yet by Alexander 23, then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm AJ from Homeschooler Goes Public, and in this episode of Tutorial Tuesday, I'm going to give you an easy piano tutorial for I Don't Know You Yet by Alexander 23. This song is pretty new, so I thought I'd make an easy chording tutorial, perfect for a beginner or someone who's brand new to piano. So head to your keyboard or piano and let's get started. So this song is pretty simple and there's only 4 chords you need to learn. I'll show you what each chord is and then how the chords sound together in the song. The first chord is B flat minor, G flat, and D flat. Then there's also one other chord you need to know, but you won't be using it till later, and that's E flat minor. Those are the only 4 chords in this song. So that's the right hand. Now here's the left hand. When you play a chord, all you do is you take the note that your thumb is on and play it down, just like that. So when you're playing B flat minor and your thumb is on B flat, you just move it down. It's the same thing when you're playing any of the other chords in the song, like G flat, and D flat, and D flat minor. So here's how you're gonna play the chords. How can you miss someone you've never met? 'Cause I need you now, but I don't know you yet. But can you find me soon, because I'm in my head? Yeah, I need you now, but I don't know you yet. You've already learned the first verse with only 3 chords. The chorus is just those same 3 chords repeated until it changes at the end when you add the E flat minor. At the end, when you say, but I only got half a heart to give to you, instead of playing the normal B flat minor, you're going to be playing an E flat minor, and then back to normal G flat, D flat. So really, it sounds like this. 'Cause lately it's been hard, they're selling me for parts, and I don't wanna be modern art, but I only got half a heart to give to you. It's really not that difficult. You just substitute the E flat minor for the B flat minor once when you say heart. The second verse and the second chorus are really exactly the same as the first. So I'm just going to play them so you can hear what they sound like. You're just repeating with the same B flat minor, G flat, D flat over and over until of course you get to heart when you play an E flat minor instead of B flat. Here's what it sounds like. How can you miss someone you've never seen? Oh, tell me, are your eyes brown, blue, or green? And do you like it with sugar and cream? Or do you take it straight, or just like me? Yeah, lately it's been hard, they're selling me for parts, and I don't wanna be modern art, but I only got half a heart to give to you. You've already learned half the song. The bridges chords are the exact same as the first verse. You're just repeating B flat minor, G flat, and D flat. Here's what it sounds like. And I hope it's enough. You're just repeating B flat minor, G flat, D flat. Now, with those same 3 chords again, you're just going to be repeating the first verse, like this. How can you miss someone you've never met? 'Cause I need you now, but I don't know you yet. But can you find me soon? sun because I'm in my head. Yeah, I need you now, but I don't know you yet. The outro is really very simple with those same 3 chords yet again. I need you now, but I don't know you yet. I need you now, but I don't know you yet. I need you now, but I don't know you yet. I need you now, but I don't know you yet. You've already learned the whole song, and those are the basic chords. But if you want to make your chords sound a little more interesting, I'm about to give you a few tips to help with it. Instead of just playing with 1 finger on the left hand, you can play with 2 by going down just a little bit further and playing with 2 fingers. It's really the same note. And the same on all of the other chords. Here's what it sounds like when you're playing with 2 fingers instead of 1 on the left hand. How can you miss someone you've never met? 'Cause I need you now, but I don't know you yet. But can you find me soon because I'm in my head? Yeah, I need you now, but I don't know you yet. I just think it gives the song a little more depth. Another thing you can do is bounce with your chords, like this. All I'm doing is pressing down with both hands, bouncing with my right, bouncing with my left. And that's all. Here's what the chorus sounds like when you add the bouncing. How can you miss someone you've never met? 'Cause I need you now, but I don't know you yet. But can you find me soon because I'm in my head? Yeah, I need you now, but I don't know you yet. If you're going to bounce your chords, I recommend only using it during the B flat minor of the chorus and the D flat of the chorus. There's really not enough time on the G flat. But again, these 2 things are totally up to personal preference. I just think they help your song to sound a little more interesting. If you're having trouble remembering the chord progression, just keep drilling it and I'm sure you'll get it soon. I hope you liked that tutorial for I Don't Know You Yet by Alexander23. If this is your first time here in Homeschooler Guys Public, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you'll never miss a future video. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you'd like to see last week's Tutorial Tuesday episode, I'll link it up here in the YouTube card. Once again, I'm AJ from Homeschooler Guys Public, and I'll see you later. Bye! Blooper! When you're low-key wearing pink snowman fuzzy socks, but nobody can see them because they're not in the shot. Okay, so is it IDK You Yet because that's how it's spelled? Or is it I don't know you yet and they were just too lazy to add the right words? I don't know, IDK bro. IDK bro. Guys, I low-key just filmed this whole intro and outro piece and then realized my mic wasn't turned on. What else? Until you bring them in the shot, then everybody knows. Never met. How can you miss someone you've never met? By Alexander23. Answer is,